guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your logo video edit on CapCut PC. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, and then I am going to go to effects and I'm going to search for the neon outline effect, and I'm just going to place it on the logo itself. Then I'm going to go to media and I'm going to find a color that I want the logo to be. Actually, I am just going to add in first a wide stock video. I'm just going to freeze frame it just in case it isn't like long enough. I'm also going to make this longer than it should be. And then I'm going to go to effects and I'm just going to find the word color. And I'm going to add in like the color negative on to the white stock video, and you can also adjust the speed so it's a little bit slower. You can also select the color as well. Well, it's more like the opacity of the color, so I'm just going to leave it. Select your video and then go to blend mode and select linear burn. Then we're going to search for edge glow and we're going to add that on top of the white stock video, and we're going to make it glow even more. I'm actually just going to enlarge it a little bit. Once you're done, select your logo, go to animation and go to combo and select one of these effects. You can choose any of them that you like. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!